Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by parts. So I will put about u equals to this one. So we need to do first derivative for the both sides. First derivative of s to the power of 3, you got about 3s squared. First derivative of s squared, you got about 2s. This one you got about number 0. And we have the s. Number 2 and number 2, you got about 4s. Now we have the v. I will choose about this one. The integration of this one, we got about v equals to 1 over 3 e to the power of 3s. So we have u multiplied by v minus we have the u multiplied by v, so we have 1 over 3 in here, and we have the integration this one with this one in here. Now we continue use integration by parts for this one. So this one I will change into 3s squared plus 4s. If we do first derivative, you got about 2s and we have number 4 in here. First derivative of s squared, we have 2s. About s, you got about 1. Number 3 and number 2, you got about 6s. And now the integration of this one, we will have about u multiplied by v minus we have the u multiplied by v, so I will put 1 over 3 in here, and then we have the integration 6s plus 4, and we have e to the power of 3s ds. Now we need to find the integration of this one in here. So this one should be about 6s plus 4. First derivative of s, you got about 1. So we have number 6 in here. First derivative of number 4, that's about the constant. So you got about 0. So for this one, we will have about u multiplied by v minus we have the u multiplied by v, so we have number 6 divided by 3, so you have number 2, and we have the integration e to the power of 3s ds. So the integration of this one, we have 1 over 3 e to the power of 3s. And now we can put about c in here. That is about the constant. This is the end. Thank you for watching.